range of 5 party speakers here. Party speakers, huge growing market.
So at IFA with Eddie from Majority and talking about a new line of really impressive looking speakers just about to go into shop. So do you want to tell us about it?
So we've got my taste Pulse range here. We've got the Pulse 1, retails at 100 quid, stepping up to Pulse 2 and Pulse 3, 150 for the middle, and then Pulse 3, £200. You'll find those in 300 Curry stores in the first week of October. Really beautiful sound, obviously Bluetooth, got the party lights on there. There's loads of inputs at the back so you can make USB, etc.
Bluetooth connected.
You're also able to pair two together to make a stereo offering.
Right, nice, yeah.
Really beautiful product, incredibly good value.
Yeah.
And then we've got the Pulse 4 and 5, which is an extension to the range that we've put in this last year. We've gone with a bigger form-factor based on success of the first generation of these. There's just executive Curries. You've got the Pulse 4 at $299. Then you've got the Pulse 5 at $399. Incredible sound output, almost 600 watts on the top of the range Pulse 5, and a very long battery life. We say 8 hours because that depends on how you're playing it, when you're playing at full volume, etc. That's worst case scenario. We had the Pulse 5 playing here yesterday, all day. Battery didn't move from 100% at all.
Wow. Okay. Can you fire it up quickly? Your choice. Do you take requests or not?
2 paired together.
Oh, you've got a stereo pair running, that's good. What's your music choice like? Thanks very much, yeah, that's impressive for that price point, isn't it? Thank you.